In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this triangular based pyramid. And we're going to do it using origami paper. Now, origami is the art of paper folding. So we're going to make this pyramid by making folds on this paper. Now, if your origami paper has a white side to it, go ahead and turn it over. Okay, we're going to start with the white side up and put the point facing down. And the first fold that we're going to make is we're going to connect this point with that point up there. And we're going to make a triangle. Okay. There we go. Nice, crisp, sharp folds. Okay. So now let's open that up. And you can see here I have two triangles. And I'm going to rotate my paper. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Fold it up. Make those points meet. Fold that. Crease it really well. Nice crisp fold. Okay. Now, before I open this up again, make a prediction. How many triangles do you think we're going to have all together when I open this up? If you guessed 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are right. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is rotate our paper. Okay, and we're going to make a fold. We're going to fold it in half again, only this time we're going to end up with a rectangle. There we go, there's a rectangle. Open that up. We're going to rotate our paper again, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to make another rectangle, fold it in half. Whoops, make another rectangle. Nice crisp lines. Now, before I open this up, make a prediction. How many triangles do you think we're going to have all together now? If you count, if you said 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you are right. 8 congruent, or 8 triangles that are exactly the same. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is we're going to fold each one of these corners into the middle. So we're going to go up like this. Fold it. Nice crisp fold. I'm going to go to this side. Nice crisp fold. Okay. 2 more times. This side. And then 1 more time. There we go. Look, we're back to a square again. Got a square. Okay, so now we're going to open the whole thing up. There you go. Look at all those great triangles. And we're going to flip it over. And you see how all of these folds, they kind of fold in toward or up towards us. You see that? So now what we want to do is I'm going to put it flat on here, but we're actually going to take this fold right here and we're going to fold it in the opposite direction. So we're going to fold it so that it ends up away from us. And the best way to do that is actually, we're going to pretend like we're folding the whole thing in half, but basically this little part right here is going to match up with this one right here. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to match them. There we go. And we are just going to fold this little section right here. So right to the center there, all the way across. All right. So you see what we did there? We took this fold, we matched it up here, and then we creased that really well. So now when I lift this up, you can see that all these other folds are kind of folded towards me, but this one here is folded away from me. Okay, so now we're just going to turn this, and we're going to fold this, that fold that we just made, we're going to fold it so that these 2 edges meet, just like that. All right, easy. So now, let me just do that. So now you can see what this looks like. Kind of looks like that. All right, now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to flip it like this, and I'm going to use the table now to make my next folds, because it's easier on a harder surface. So this little flap that I have, I'm just going to fold it down, just like that. Just fold it down, and then crease that. Okay. Now you can keep yours on the table, but I'm going to lift mine up because I want to see what you're going to end up with. So you're going to end up with this, and notice how there's 1, 2, 3 corners there. We're actually going to flip those corners in to the pyramid. Okay, so now I'm going to flip this back because this is what you have. I'm just going to, actually you have this. I'm going to turn it a little bit and I'm going to flip that triangle inward. See how I did that? And then you're going to push, oops, make that nice crease and then just push this into the tip. Okay, so you've got that. Now we're going to turn it and you're going to do the same thing with this triangle here. You're going to flip this in, okay. Push it in there, crease it. You're going to flip it one more time and you're going to put this little triangle in and push it back there. Make that little crease there. I like to play with it a little bit like that to get those in there and creased. Okay, and there you go. There is your triangular based pyramid, and it's a triangular based pyramid because the base of it, the bottom, is in the shape of a triangle. So the next thing you can do is hand this to the station facilitator, who will use this then to put together your collaborative project.